Hey guys, Ronald here. If you are planning to buy a power bank and you don't want to get scammed like me, for example, this one was declared as 10,400 mAh. Then when I opened it, the battery is only 1,200 mAh. So multiply it by 4, that's only 4,800 mAh, wherein they declare it as 10,400. So if you want to assemble your own power bank, my suggestion is to buy this power bank housing. It has 8 slots and it is designed for a parallel connection wherein all the negative are on one side and all the positives are on the other side. And you should also buy from reputable sellers genuine 18650 batteries. So I bought 8 pieces of them. So if there are no markings in here, positive or negative, usually the one with the smaller circle is the positive and the one with the bigger circle is the negative side. Okay, so let's assemble it. Negative goes to the negative side. Negative to the negative side. Just don't make a mistake because it might burn you. By the way, this battery housing also allows you to replace the battery without doing any spot welding, to avoid any untoward incidents. Okay, let's turn it on. There's still 3 bars left. There is also a power indicator in here, so let's just cover it up. So that's it. You now have your own power bank which has a 27,200 mAh capacity. So if you like to buy this, I will put in the buying links below, and I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.